private tour guides and first time it's a collaboration between Brazil and Russia. Two Indians. Russia.
ଆଉ କେତେ ଦିନ ସେ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ନେଇ ଗଲେ ଜାଣିବ କେମିତି ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ ପ୍ୟାକିଂ କରିବା ରେ ଗଧ
Finally getting ready to vlog. Camera is out. Cards in. Battery in. Like ready. ये कैमरा का सेटअप इतना बड़ा हो जाता है कि व्लॉग करने में बहुत ही मुश्किल. इतना बड़ा बैग उठाओ, फिर कैमरा उठाओ, इतना सेटअप करो, और it only works if you are doing a road trip alone. Good, ready.
अभी ये जो है ये एक प्राइवेट वाला कार है. अभी ये फुल होने में जितना टाइम लग गया 10 लोगों ये नहीं लेके तो जाएगा नहीं, बट बैगेज के लिए तो जगह ही नहीं है. वी ऑलरेडी हैव गॉट लाइक 2 बिग बैग्स एंड उसके बाद अभी सिर्फ ओनली मैं, दोस्त एंड दोज 2 लेडीज. So only we 4 are there, more 4 we need to maybe wait for like 4 or 5 and 10 लोग होंगे उसके बाद ही जाएगा. अभी ये 5 घंटा लगने वाला है. So maybe this is the first time I'm doing a road trip and I'm not driving, someone else is driving. क्योंकि रोड यहाँ इतना भी अच्छा नहीं है, लोग तो बोलते हैं कि ज़्यादा सेफ भी नहीं है. So देखते हैं, बट ये 5 घंटा लगने वाला है ये वाला टोटल वाला ट्रिप. एंड वहाँ पहुँच के वो जो प्राइवेट टूर्स का बुकिंग भी करना है. So लंबा प्रोसेस. मे बी दिस इज द ओनली रीजंस इंडियंस डोंट कम टू फिलीपींस एंड नीडो. दिस एब्सोल्युटली सिक प्लेस, बट बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ता है. ଏରେ ତାର ବି ସେଟିଂ ଅଛି, ନହେଲେ ପୁରା ମେନ୍ୟୁ କ'ଣ ଦେଇଦେଲା. ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋ ଜୁସ୍ ହେଇଗଲେ ମୋର ହେଇଯିବ. ବାନାନା ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋ ଗୋଟେ ଦି ପଟ ରଖିକି ଦି ପଟ ପାଇପ୍ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇଦେବି. କେତେ ମାସ ହେଇଛି କହିଲା? So done with like 2 hours of drive and maybe this is the first food stop, and this is how a typical Filipino dhaba looks like. Lawson Cafe. You need to look at those tables. India code भी लिखा है. They've actually named all those tables as per the country names. Let me just show it to you. Philippines, Brunei, Cambodia, Vietnam, Singapore. बे इंडिया कोठी भी नहीं, जाएंगे हमको बाहर बसिया पड़े. बहुत बेजित ये ढाबारे जहाँ जहाँ अच्छी किसी खाई होगानी. बीफ, पोर्क, चिकन, श्रिम्प. गोटे मिस खाई होगा. द ओनली थिंग आई एम हैविंग राइट नाउ इज द मैंगो फ्रूट शेक एंड मे बी बनाना शेक एज वेल. को गोटे जगह भी इंडिया लिखा है. मेन्यू गुड़ा सब कांथरे लगे देइछन. आ मेन्यू पढ़िया दरकार नहीं. आइटम फोटो दिया है, मेन्यू ना लिखा है. You can see that. What is the name of this?
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, mix.
Ice cream and what is that?
Coconut, jackfruit.
Mango?
Not sir.
No mango?
Jackfruit.
Okay.
Nata de coco. And ice with milk.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Okay. Hey, morning. So we just reached El Nido Palawan yesterday night. Exactly took like 6 hours to reach from Manila, from Kyoto Princesa. 6 hours of van trip. We're just leaving for trip A of the island tour. All these tall mountains. surrounding the whole island of the Nido. Oh, that is majestic. So this is the Nido market. And we're actually going on the trip, a private tour. Now if you are here in Nido, you have got two options. Either go on a group tour or a private tour. Group tour, it's going like 15 or 20 people in a boat. And private, you can be 2, 4, 6, and we're actually 6 people. And we're taking famous travel and tours. I've given you the contact details here in the video as well. So just in case, because we've got a nice price. Normally it costs like, if you're going on a group tour, it will be 2,000 bucks. And private tour is going to cost you like 4,000 per person. But if it's 6 you know, like 6 friends, it will be around 2,500 max. But private is going to be expensive. So yeah, let's go. So normally all the boats leave by 8:30 or 9 a.m. But what we have done is we have decided to leave by 8 a.m. actually, because if you are leaving with all the tourists by 8:39, it's going to be very crowded. It's going to be using all those islands. So if you're leaving by 8, you're going to find less crowd and maybe we can get some good shots. So our boat has reached, maybe you can see the whole boat area. A lot of boats, some big ferries as well. We just reached the Seven Commandos beach and this is the first stop of tour A. Vlog is happening, but taking the camera out and getting all that vlog gear is too much of work. So basically I'm vlogging today with Insta360 and then all the footage with the drone. So we just reached this Seven Commandos beach and I'm done with the first flight of my drone. First battery is done and we're gonna go to 6, 9, 8 beaches today. But I only have 3 batteries, so we need to save this battery for at least 6 islands. So I've done maybe 15 minutes of flight, the drone battery. Yeah, it's looking so good. This is the first stop of tour A, and now we go to the big lagoon. Got to copy the files of the first flight first. Next. भद्र वोट नहीं
Full credit. Full credit.
नहीं पढ़ो नहीं पढ़ो नहीं पढ़ो नहीं पढ़ो